All right, so today we're going to take this, we're going to put it in this case, and I'm going to hook it onto my bike, and we're going to drive down to the beach and videotape as we're going. And then I'll show you guys the video when I get back. I can get it in there. Okay, now we're in. Okay, so to get it inside of here, you just got to match up the area for the thing. Put it in there. Closer. Bring this around. Snapper. Bam, done. And to turn it on, you're going to press these things and to videotape on this side. I got it set for video, so we're going to take it out there and we're going to check it out. It's going to be cool. Peace. All right, so here's the small rig. Got this on there. We just got to smush this in there. And sometimes you got to push hard. But I got it in, right? Here, let me show you. I just put my hand here, like this, smushed it in. And then now I got to get this in this little hole right here. You follow me? So you may have to move it around a little bit and then lock her down like that. Get it on tight. That's it. And then now we can videotape. Now to turn it on, I'm going to press this side here and hold it. 1, 2, 3. And it comes on, right? Takes a second. Okay, there we go. See it? So now we can see through there. And then for me to record, I'm going to press here. So I'm just going to go ahead and press it. And then you should see it. See how it turns red? That's ready to go. Now we can put it right on the bike. We can adjust it as we go. And we're going to lock it down with this mechanism right here. So I'm going to just set her here like this. And then I got to crank this down by going righty-tighty. There we go. So once I kind of get it on there, I kind of position it, then I get the tightness on it. And I lock it down. And this is pretty tight here. You guys can see. So it's videotaping me. I'm gonna go and we're gonna ride down to the beach and we'll videotape on the way down and check it out, see what we think. All right. So that's the setup right there. And we're ready to go. We're back. I'm gonna turn off the video. That's off. Now I'm going to turn the camera off. I'm going to press and hold. And it should go off. Okay, I'm done. And now we can take the camera upstairs and check it out. See what we got. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. And we'll get our card out. All right, go to the bottom, pop it. We got to press against it with our fingernail. There we go. Got it. Got it. Pull her out. And put it in there. And then we just got to put this in the computer. All right, so I'm cruising down A1A or Ocean Boulevard. Some people call it Jimmy Buffett Boulevard. I think they named it after him after he died. And we're going past Boston's, the Sandbar, the Pavilion, and then we're going to get to the very south end of Delray Beach, where there's a little boat ramp, and Delray Beach Water Sports is right there to the right. And you'll get a chance to see the ocean. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.